Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation that will help you release cravings. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity for you to practice sitting with crystals and gemstones to help you improve life situations, problems in your life that you might be facing. And today, that situation is cravings. When we have cravings. And this can be very helpful if you are trying to control what you're eating. You're trying to rely less on comfort food or junk food, or if you want to get a handle on that. But cravings involve more than just food. Cravings can be for buying something, collecting something, for a person, for something in life, for a hobby that you can't seem to put more balance in, that takes over your life. We can have these cravings for anything in your life. So if you tend to have a bit of an addictive personality, you dive into something and it dominates your life, and you would like to promote more balance in the activities of your life, then this guided meditation will help. If you're trying to reduce cravings for food or buying or social media or anything in your life, then this guided meditation will help for you. So if you're finding yourself having a craving, then grab your gemstone, sit in this meditation, and this meditation will help you release it. Because it's also about determining what we need versus just what we want. And sometimes we are hungry and we need food. And it's important to distinguish between when we are hungry and when we are bored eating, or when we actually need like yarn for that project, or whether we just love collecting yarn, speaking from personal experience. Then sit with this meditation. It will help you take a good look at the craving, determine if you need it, and release it if you don't. Now, this is a crystal guided meditation, but you don't need a gemstone to benefit from this meditation. It will still help. But if you do have one of these gemstones, it will help work a little quicker and more effectively for you. The gemstones that can help with releasing cravings are Amethyst, Hematite, Snowflake Obsidian, and Tiger's Eye. And for this guided meditation today, I'll be sitting with Amethyst, which is one of the very traditional stones for helping to curb cravings and break addictions. The only other thing that you'll need for this guided meditation is a comfortable seat, and that could be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or on the ground outside. But if you have your gemstone and you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And then bring your attention to how it feels to breathe right now. And then bringing your awareness to those places on your body that touch the cushion or floor beneath you. And remember that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, fully supported and sitting directly over the center. And you have access to all of the energy of the earth, and it will guide you and support you during this meditation today. If you have a gemstone for this practice today, then pick that up and put that in your receiving hand. And it's your non-dominant hand. And it will receive the energies of the crystal for you today. And bring to mind that item that you are craving. Whether it's a food or a thing, a person, an activity, bring that to your mind. How does the feeling of that craving feel? The need of that craving. How does it feel for you? And where do you feel this craving in your body? Where do you feel the want? You might think that it's a thought, and it could be in your brain, but it often manifests somewhere else in the body. And so look at this feeling and try to determine if this is a genuine need or a want. About 99% of the time, it will be a want rather than a need. If it's a food, are you actually feeling physical discomfort in that stomach? Lightheadedness, the symptoms that go along with hunger and low blood sugar? Or could you not eat and be fine? If it's for an item, would you actually use that item right now, today? Or would it sit on a shelf unused? That the act of getting it is the craving. If it's for a person or an activity, cravings for people are often 100% a want. And cravings for activities, maybe you do need to take a run or a jog to help you physically feel better or to release some stress. Maybe playing that game will help release some stress, but notice when you need that activity as a release or as you want it as a distraction. How does it feel And realize that this craving does not have control over you. It just doesn't. It may feel strong and powerful. It may feel like it is a tight claw gripping onto you, claws into you. And imagine that right now. And then imagine the claw relaxing and releasing its hold. Then on your next exhale, imagine the craving dissolving away on your breath. Just send it away on your exhale. For the next several breaths, just keep dissolving and releasing that craving. And notice that sense of freedom and lightness. When that grip and that control is just gone, you are free from the hold of the craving. Then just come back to your breath. Whenever you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me for this guided meditation to help release cravings, and I hope that you found it valuable. And this is a meditation that you may have to use over and over again, maybe even multiple times during the day, because cravings are strong. They are powerful, but they don't have control over you. They just don't. And I hope that you've been enjoying this channel. If you're new to the channel, I post about a different gemstone every single week. And I post about how to tackle life situations with crystals and gemstones. And so if you've been watching the channel and you find the videos really useful to you, then make sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon.